everyone. These are the magnets. These are very strong magnets. These are known as nickel magnets or neodymium magnets. Very powerful. These comes in very different sizes, and if I talk about the time, I bought them like 5 years earlier, and these are like half of the quantities I have already used. I bought 25, and this comes in different shapes as well, and these can be used for multiple purposes. With the time you would see that those would get some of the rust, but as I also got them rusted, and when I washed them with some of the cleaning material, those got cleared again. So these need to be handled very carefully, and also need to keep away from the children. Very powerful, and these can also get these can also harm your fingers if not handled properly, because they have the very strong power of the magnet. If your finger will come in between them, they would get pressed into this. So these need to be handled very carefully, very carefully. So this can be used for many of the DIY things you would like to make. So I have used them for like closing my cupboards, as like the lock was broken, fixed on my fridge also. Let me show you. So this is the thing. I have been using magnets. So how these are very powerful also. And other thing, I have been using this cover to fix on the fridge also. These are the magnets. Cloth would not be moving here and there on the fridge. And this side also. Use of this magnet is countless. So whatever you think you need for some of the purpose, where you can fix something by attaching magnet to the one part and to the other part also, and it will work very perfectly and very strongly. One part of the magnet is attaching part, and other part is moving part. You cannot attach it here, and these are the opposite poles which are not getting attached like this. You put any power, these will not getting closer like this. On the other part you can get it fixed like this. Very strong power. It need to get removed, and also when you are fixing it like this. This comes in different sizes, and this has like 10 mm, we can say 1 centimeter, and this one is like 2 mm. So this comes in different shapes and also sizes, but this has good uses, and if you use carefully. Thank you for watching the video.